What's up? What it be like? The Kaizen Sensei here, going to talk to you about the law of cause and effect. As you know, in order for you to have something accomplished, something has to cause it to occur. Well, this works in anything, especially in an organization. Okay? What I'm going to introduce to you here is the Ishikawa Fishbone diagram. It's used for two separate things. Primarily, it's used for root cause analysis because what it does is it gives you an idea, a gigantic picture, an overall picture of how operations occur. And if you reverse engineer, you will locate the cause that created the errant effect. Now, the law of cause and effects, is divided, as you can see, my little fishbone, into different categories. The head is the effect, okay, where you can either end up with a positive, a neutral, or a negative effect. What causes it are two different types of causes: special cause and common cause. The common cause are divided by these different spines. Okay, follow me. The first one is labor. The second one is material or supply chain. The third is equipment, tools, and infrastructure. And the fourth is processes. Okay, so what we look at here, this is what happens every single day in your company. However, the company can be affected by the environment. And that was what we would call a special cause issue. I'll give you an example. You're golfing and you're doing everything in your power to do the perfect swing. Okay? Common cause. But if you take that swing and someone sneezes or you hear a sonic boom, it will cause you to make a change in your swing where it affects the effect. Okay? Now the way that we control the common causes is to find ways of reducing variations and variables. Okay? If you can control the variation and variables, then this will be a tighter operation. And how do you do that? Well, we covered that. You use standardized work and continuous improvement. Now, with regards to the special causes, which we will call environment, let's just use this fish example. If a fish was in an ocean as opposed to a river, as opposed to a lake, a stream, or an aquarium, where it's either clear, murky, churning, or calm, it would have that fish act appropriately so that it would survive. Okay? It would have to do whatever it needs to do on the cause side so that on the effect side it would obviously survive. So as a fish, you also have to identify yourself as a prey, a predator, or both. So you see how this thing works out? It works pretty good. And I'd like you to kind of like look into it and then see how it works with your company. And if you have any questions, feel free to like, comment, and share. And I will hopefully answer you, or maybe we can have a conversation on the phone. Anyway, Kaizen Sensei, giving you law of cause and effect. Thank you for watching and listening.